how to showcase all products and homepage on Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, and click on Edit Theme. Now what I need you to do is just find any collection that you have. So in this case, I have a collection right here. I'm just going to click on it. And then I just want to find this option here, which is the product count. And I just want to increase it to the maximum. And we see here we have 16 as the max number of products that can showcase at once. So just keep this number in mind. So in my case, it's 16 for you. For your theme, it may be different. So just make sure you have the proper number ready. So we just want to exit out of here now. And we just want to click on products, click on collections, and then we simply just wanted to create a new collection. I'm just going to name it All Products 1. From there, we just wanted to select the collection type as manual, and we wanted to go to the products section and click on Browse. From here, all you need to do is just select the number of products that we just saw. For my case, I'm going to select 16. I don't really have 16, but let's just pretend that I have 16. So I'm just going to select the first 16 of them. Now, if you have less than 16, that's great. But if you do have more than that, or more than the number that showed up for you, then you just need to select that number. So in my case, I'm just going to select 16 here. So let's just say the first 3 is my 16 in this case, and click on Add. And we simply just want it to save. Then we just go back and create another collection with the next 16 products and so on. So I'm just going to name it All Products 2, right? And then we just select manual, click on Browse, and we just want to select the rest of the products that we did not from the previous one. So if you left off at 16, you just want to go from 17 and just count another 16. Obviously, I'm saying 16 because my theme is 16 max. It really just depends on yours. Click on Add and Save. Now we simply just want to add them to our home page and merge them. So we can just click on Online Store, go to Themes, and click on Edit Theme. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this collection entirely. You can feel free to edit it from here, but I'm just going to remove the collection as it is. So what I'm going to do is just click on Add Section, scroll down until we find the actual collections here. Not collection links, but the featured collections. And I'm going to go for grid. Now you can go for carousel, I believe, but for me, I'm just going to go for a grid. And we can keep this title for the first one, but right now we just want to click on the entire thing. So just click right here on the featured collection grid. And we simply just want to click on select near the collection. And we're just going to go for All Products 1. Increase the product count to the max, 16 in my case. And we are also going to change the color scheme for it. This is just to show you how it's going to merge together anyway. Okay, so once we're done here, we simply just want to exit out of here and add another collection right underneath it. So click on Add Section. Do the same thing here, Featured Collection, Grid. This time, however, we're going to remove this title, so we can just click on that and hit Delete. And we're just going to repeat the same steps. So just click on the collection, the new one, select the other one. Go ahead and increase the count for it. And change the scheme to match it with the other one. If you obviously did change the scheme for the first one. Now I understand this doesn't really look great for me because I only have the 2 products here and then it just jumps to these 2. But if you did actually have 16 on the first one, it's just going to work well and it's just going to continue down as if it's just, one simple grid. And you obviously just going to repeat this process. So if you have more than that, you just want to create a third collection and do the same steps with that. Now, I believe you can also go ahead and make them all a carousel if you want to, but I'm just going to stick with the grid one, but it is possible. Anyways, now you have a general idea on what to do in order to add all the products to your store. Now, obviously, the best case scenario is going to be that you don't have that many products on your store, so you're just going to add one collection and you should be good to go. If you have more, it's fine. Just do these steps, and I promise you it's going to look much better than it did for me because you're going to actually have products that fill these spaces. But anyways, this is pretty much how it works. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.